The error code 7 on a gas water heater indicates a problem with the gas control valve. This issue can be caused by a defective gas control valve or obstructed vents. To resolve the issue, start by resetting the gas control valve, which may solve temporary glitches. This can be done by turning the valve knob off, waiting for 5 minutes, and then turning it back on to see if the problem is resolved. If this doesn't work, check the exhaust vents, as clogged vents can prevent the removal of combustion byproducts, causing the thermocouple to malfunction and resulting in the error code 7. To clean the vents, turn off the gas supply and the gas control valve. Then disassemble the exhaust vents using the correct procedures. Remove any debris or foreign materials that may have accumulated, and then reassemble the vents. Turn the heat back on to see if the issue is resolved. If neither of these steps works, the gas control valve may need to be replaced. This involves inspecting the valve for dirt or physical damage, cleaning it if necessary, or replacing it if damaged. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to consult a qualified technician for further assistance.